This is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage multiple accounts on MetaTrader 4 for iOS. So if you have more than one account, so for example, here you can see I have a live account, but also I have a demo account, okay? So how do I add both those accounts on MetaTrader 4? Well, it's very simple. So let's pop over to MetaTrader 4. Here we are on MetaTrader 4. Now if we go to the settings tab, you will see this is the account we're currently logged in. And if I go ahead and click at the top where it says my account, you will see a plus button on the top right hand corner. This will allow me to add another account. So we're going to go ahead and add another account to MetaTrader 4. And we're going to log into an existing account. But we're going to add a real account this time, a live account, not a demo. So we're going to search for AAAFx. And we're going to select the server that says real. We're just going to pop in our login details and password. And once it's filled out, we'll go ahead and click sign in. It's simple as that. Now we're logged in to our real account. And if we go back to the settings tab, you will now see that we're logged into a different account. So the account we just logged in was the real account. And if we ever want to switch, okay, say I want to switch to my demo account again, all I have to do is click at the top where it says my account and find my demo account and just click on that. And boom, we're back on the demo account. And we can just switch over to the demo, to the real, or any account that you want just by doing that. So it really is that simple. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.